So as I mentioned before, I'm 60 and I'm about as technical as dryer lint. So I've been watching all these keto videos, and they can actually cut out and then they come back and it's the same video. I would have no friggin' idea how to do that, not even for $1,000,000. Pong confused me. That was a game in the 70s. I think it was the first video game. Was we would sprawl across the white shag rug, and we'd have the thing in our hand, and it was like a little white ball would go back and forth, and the paddle would hit it back and forth, and just, look at that. Anyway, so this is what I'm making, chicken breast. This is the first time I've ever made this, and I've been eating chicken my whole life, usually just deep fried though. So spread some herb and garlic cream cheese on it. I'm gonna put, now if you had ham or anything like that, I think anything would do. 3, maybe just 2, because I gotta roll it. 2 slices of salami. Let's see how this is gonna work. Now, I'm not sure how to cook it. I think in a frying pan, but I don't know if it would cook all the way through. But you have to cook the bacon, right? So roll this up. Wow. Stick a couple toothpicks in it. And then wrap it in bacon. And maybe I will do it in the oven. Yum. Now I can't turn off the camera. I can with my pinky finger.